Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the broken concrete pieces. So on my concrete surface these pieces have been broken. So I'm gonna remove I removed the broken piece and I'm gonna clean these areas to remove any loose residue particles. Okay, after that I have purchased this DAP ready to use concrete patch, and that I'm gonna apply, and in this way we are gonna fix it. Okay, so as you see I have removed. Now I'm removing the residues. Next I'm going to apply this patch. So I'm going to use a putty knife. Depending upon the breakage and other things, you may need to use other tools, but for me the putty knife is enough. So I've applied it over the broken pieces. Of course I need to do some finishing, but in this way you can easily do, and once you apply you need to give it ample time to dry up before you use before it opens for foot traffic. So that is how simple it is guys, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.